What is geologic time? In order to make sense of the 4.6 billion history of our planet, scientists make use of what they call geologic time. Geologic time is the huge time period from the birth of the Earth to the present time. It is one vast length of time which geologists have recorded based on geologic events, preserved and deciphered from the planet's rock layer. These geologic events are then divided by geologists into units that represent specific amounts of time. Together, these time spans make up the geological timescale. What does this mean? Well, yearly, we use a calendar to mark down significant events and dates in our life, such as birthdays, Independence Day, religious festivals, and more. The geologic timescale has the same purpose, except that this is a calendar of Earth's birth, changes, evolution, and history.
The Precambrian supereon is subdivided into 3 eons: Hadean, Archean, and Proterozoic. The Hadean was a time when our solar system and planet were forming. Archean was a time when the planet was inhospitable to life. However, it was during this time that life on Earth started to appear since the oldest dated bacterial microfossils. The Proterozoic era, divided into 3 eras, was a time of many important geologic events: appearance of stable continents, bacterial and Archean fossils, and eukaryotic cells.
The Phanerozoic Aeon is divided into 3 periods: Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. The Paleozoic era had 2 important events: biodiversity explosion of animal life and extinction of around 90% of marine life towards the end of the era. Paleozoic is divided into 7 periods: Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Mississippian, Pennsylvanian, and Permian. Most of these were named after the places where the rocks of that age were first investigated.
The Mesozoic era is divided into 3 periods: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. The animal life during this era underwent drastic changes, and dinosaurs are the most popular. These animals evolved during the Triassic, became dominant especially during the Jurassic, and went extinct during the Cretaceous. Plant life on land also underwent tremendous changes with the appearance of gymnosperms and angiosperms, which appeared towards the end of the Cretaceous period.
The Cenozoic era is divided into main periods: tertiary and quaternary. Animal life in this era was far more diverse, such that it can also be called the age of insects, an age of mammals, or age of birds. The tertiary period can be divided into 2 periods: Paleogene and Neogene.
During the Paleogene epoch, the first primates and early mammals appeared. There was also a worldwide abundance of tropical rainforests.
By the Neogene epoch, Pangaea had begun to break apart. The global climate became seasonal, and the Neogene epoch saw a drastic cooling. Quaternary marked the appearance of modern humans, which gave rise to civilization and agriculture.
There are those who argue that a new epoch should be added to the Quaternary era, the Anthropocene epoch.
When did it start? It could be dated as early as AD 900, when human agricultural activities have left a mark on the planet's surface, or from 1800s with the start of Industrial Revolution, or as late as 1950s with the start of the atomic age.
Created using Powtoon.